This inventory software tutorial explores how easy it is to create custom carts and containers used for tearing the weight. First, log in as administrator, and then click the icon in Step 2, and click the Edit button. To create a brand new cart, select one of the empty slots and enter the description and weight for the item. Then, you can go to our website's inventory icon library to see if there's an image that matches. Simply right-click and select Copy Image. And then, double-click the image placeholder to bring up the Paint editor. Paste into Paint, and close the image editor. Because it's a cart, and only one can be on the scale at the same time, we'll leave the Multiple box unchecked. Close the editor, and if you want to change where the icon is within the screen, click the Move button and use the arrows to move your new icon to the position desired. Click the Moving button again, and your new entry is ready for use. As one final example, let's add a container. Again, click Edit, select the slot for your new entry, and enter a description. If your scale rounds to the nearest pound, here's a tip for getting a more accurate weight for light items. Weigh several of them at the same time, then divide by that number to get the weight of just one. Because there can be more than one of these on the scale at the same time, make sure that the Multiple box is checked. And this time we'll do a web search for the image. Then right-click Copy, double-click the image to edit it, and paste into Paint. Closing the editor, the container is now ready for use. Note that when selecting this one, because the Multiple box was checked, the software prompts for how many are on the scale. It then multiplies the weight of one item by the number entered to arrive at the total tear weight. When you're done editing, be sure to click the Admin Logout button, and your system is ready. To learn more about our inventory software, you can review the manuals on the website or contact us. We'd love to help.